Hi-ho, Sandwich Dad here. Today, we'll be making the Croque Monsieur. And then we'll put an egg on it and make it a Croque Madame. Here's what we need to make a basic one. But we might as well do it right and make the bechamel, so we'll get some other stuff too. Ham. No Name doesn't make Gruyere, so we'll use Swiss cheese. Some butter. Some nice mustard, this is optional. Some sourdough bread. An egg if you want to madame it up. And some flour. Milk, a bay leaf, maybe some extra cheese for that bechamel. Equal parts melted butter to flour, make a roux. When that looks good, add milk and a bay leaf and thicken. When thick, add some cheese. I'm using cheddar because that's what I have. Put a piece of buttered sourdough in your skillet. Add mustard, ham, some of your bechamel, and Swiss cheese. Cover with more buttered sourdough and treat it like a grilled cheese. When that's done, put it on a baking sheet, add some more bechamel and Swiss cheese, and bake. And fry your egg. There's your monsieur et votre madame. This is sandwich.